Most sectors in Myanmar's opening economy are growing, and that's certainly true of the insurance industry. With me to discuss is Nyo Myint, Vice Chairman of IKBZ Insurance. Well, Nyo Myint, I want to start with the financial landscape in Myanmar. How does that stand today in context of the insurance sector?
The country is now on the path of economic development. Notable changes have been witnessed in all sectors, including insurance. The insurance market was open up to the domestic private players just 2 years back. The insurance sector has a great potential, but for the moment, extremely low insurance penetration. In 2014, some eminent multinational insurers began establishing their representative offices. There are now already about 20 foreign insurance companies that have representative offices in Myanmar. Among those companies who have been in Myanmar over 3 years were allowed to operate insurance services within the Myanmar Special Economic Zone. However, Myanmar insurance industry is still in its infancy, and it has a lot of opportunities for both domestic and foreign insurers.
And when did the market open up for private insurers?
Under the guidance of the government of Myanmar, Insurance Business Supervisory Board was formed and launched the license application process for private insurance company in November 2012 in order to diversify the provision of insurance services and to modernize the sector. The insurance industry in Myanmar began a transition from a centrally planned operation into something closer to a free market in late 2012. And 5-decade-long monopoly of the state-owned Myanmar insurance was ended when the 12 private insurance companies were established with 6 life insurers and 6 composite insurers in 2013.
And how is IKBZ positioned in Myanmar's insurance sector?
IKBZ company is the first private insurer in Myanmar to get registered as a company. Through growing network of 14 plus branches across Myanmar and also engaging wider branches of about 360 plus of our sister concern, Kamboja Bank, as a window to reach out to our customer. We are within the reach of the majority of the population in Myanmar. Within this short span of time, we have earned a good reputation for our excellent performance and services delivered. We dominate the largest market share with the highest amount of premium income compared to our competitors' companies.
And how are client needs changing, and how does your company adapt to these?
We believe the customer is the king. Therefore, we put the client needs at the center of everything we do. We recommend the products and require coverage for them, all based on their changing needs. Amendments are also undertaken and also encouraged as an essential requirement for the changing needs of clients. We now invest a lot in digital technology and infrastructure, making it easier, better, and faster to do business with us. Whenever a claim arises, we always take a prompt action to give compensation as soon as possible.
And in the insurance sector, are there opportunities for foreign investors?
Myanmar is regarded by the international communities as a last frontier of Asia. According to Myanmar Investment Commission, the oil and gas sector is a main driver of growth. Apart from the oil and gas sector, there are many key areas: agriculture and the electric power generation, telecommunication, manufacturing, and infrastructure. Myanmar Tilawa Special Economic Zones near Yangon was put into operation, signifying the opening of the new chapter of investment in Myanmar.
Well, finally, what's in the pipeline for IKBZ, and indeed, how do you see the insurance sector in Myanmar evolving in the future?
Currently, we are working to transform ourselves to be regionally competitive while maintaining our position as a largest market share in Myanmar. With the successful completion of the general elections in Myanmar last month, which is anticipated to bring significant development and betterment to the country, we hope that foreseeing the rapid flow of foreign investment under the management of the new government, the insurance business regulatory body will open the market further and eventually allow domestic private insurers with more premium products and opportunities to work out with the multinational insurers at early stages.